What I'm going to attempt to do now I've never done before. In fact, I can't even find a video on it. So I'm making this one now. I am going to paper merge in my horizontal hive, in my long hive here. What I'm going to do is, I've got a screen bottom, so I'm going to have to buffer the bottom a little bit. But what I've done to start with is I've taken a frame, just a regular deep frame, and I've taped a piece of paper to it. And it's a little long to brush down against the screen bottom. A little bit on top, a little tape there to cover the top entrance. And the sides here, I'll pull it out, to cover the sides. This isn't perfect, but we're going to give this an attempt. This hive is queenless. It's been queenless for a while. It's hopelessly queenless. There are no eggs in here, and I believe most of the brood has now emerged from here. They are mean. They are really, really mean. I haven't even opened up any of these slats yet. And I don't know if you can see these bees all over me here. But what I want to attempt to do is put this somewhere down around here. And then I've got a nuke. It's a pro nuke. It's in a pro nuke box. I looked at it today. Man, it's a beautiful looking carnelian queen. So I'm going to put her in here with her 5 frames with the paper, and we're going to see what happens. Hopefully they will merge successfully in this horizontal hive. It's getting way too warm is the reason I'm merging this. It's getting way too warm for this pro nuke box to be out here in the sun. So here's my frame with the paper. Got tape along the edge to rub up against the sides. There's tape on the sides to rub up against, and newspaper in the bottom along the screen. Now this doesn't keep all the bees out, but it should keep the majority. This pro nuke is pretty full. Let's take a peek inside. Now, you can see they're building out. It's a pretty full nuke. Again, it didn't sell, but that's okay, because I have a use for it. And I want to look for the queen as I go, because I know she's not marked. Let me get my... You can see the bees all over me. They are not happy. Like I say, this is a very mean hive. And I'm going to have to spray. I've got a sting stopper suit, but they are getting me through this suit. This is the first time this year that I've had a problem with bees getting through this suit. This suit has been fantastic. So I've customized the patches on it here a bit. Got my apiary and my name on it. Those were custom ordered. They did not come from Sting Stopper. This thing has so many pockets in it. It's unbelievable. Get that marker out. These bees are not happy. They are not happy at all. Okay, that is ready to go. As soon as I find her, I will attempt to mark her. she has just laid this thing up like nobody's business. She just filled this box up. Okay, where is she? Get these guys back. Back, 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 back. Not being marked. She's able to hide a whole lot better. Well, she is being elusive here. I need to make some room. Get rid of one of these frames. Again, keep them back, back, back. Get back. Let's look in the box for her. I am not seeing her. Don't want to come out there. Okay, I'm gonna one last attempt to locate her. And then I'm gonna button up this hive for a few days and we'll see what happens. They're getting through the sting stopper again. I gotta say, this is a very mean hive. Very, very mean. Okay, where is she hiding? I seen her earlier today, so I know she's still in the hive. Should have marked her at that time, but no. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna button it up. She's in here somewhere. Just to make sure, yeah. Okay. Frames in there. Okay, let's get this buttoned up and get out of here. Bees are not happy. I'm catching this hive at just the right time. They're hopelessly queenless. I seen one frame of cap brood, and that is it. Nothing else. So they haven't gone worker on me yet, which is good. Come on, get that split down. I haven't said it before, I'll say it again. I hate these little slats. Okay. Brick. I'll turn the brick sideways to let me know that there should be a queen in there, and we'll see what happens. This was not fun. If you've ever done a mean hive, a queenless hive, this is not fun. The sting stopper shoot has been fantastic this season until today. Like I say, this is a really, really mean hive. I hope this Carniolan queen will repopulate this hive and calm them down. Okay, now let's find out whether this paper merge on this horizontal hive succeeded. It's been, I guess, about a week. First time I've been up here. So far I'm not being inundated with bees, attacked, which is good, but I'm just getting into it. So let's, this is the frame I built as the paper, for the paper merge in here. You can see what they've done with the paper. There's holes in it all over. So they have merged. I will remove that frame. Don't need it anymore. And I'm just going to look on these few frames. I'm not going to go all the way through this box and see if I see my queen in here. I should say their queen. And she is not marked, but she is a big, beautiful Carniolan queen. Sorry if I sound a little stuffy. It is humid out here. We've had rain the last 2 days. Of course, when the sun comes out, you get humidity. Okay, looking for eggs as well. Don't see any there. Eggs in there. Eggs. Don't see eggs. Now with the horizontal hive, of course, she's got a lot of room to go across here to lay. She may have gone to the original brood area, and I'll have to check there as well. These are just the frames I merged in that had eggs and larvae in them already. There she is, right here. I don't know if you can pick her out or not, running underneath here. She's trying to hide. Say a nice big carniolan queen. So I would say that was a successful merge. The queen is still, they've merged. The queen is in here. The hive is so much calmer. My goodness. It's not what I was going to say, but I took so many stings right through my suit with this hive. To say they were PO'd is putting it mildly. They were not happy at all about being queenless. And you can see the huge difference in a week here. Nothing, my arm was covered before. Nothing. Very, very good. Successful paper merge with a horizontal hive. Get those flats back on here. I am not going to go down to the other end. There's no need. I have larvae down here. I have a beautiful queen. And normally I would mark her, but it's just so humid and hot here. That, and she just got merged in here. Give her a chance to settle in. Set up housekeeping. So now you've seen a merge, paper merge, using a frame, paper on it, and a horizontal hive. I believe these girls are happy, and it was a very successful merge. This is Tim, Southwest Ohio Bees. You have a fantastic day.